how we made beam and column joint. Now you are seeing the beam. It is a continuous beam which is connected with a column at the end, and also intermediately there is a column. So at the end, another end also we are having columns. So you can see the main reinforcements, all the reinforcements at the top 4 bars are continuously given without any connection between the column and the beam, and intermediately based on the shear necessaries, all the stirrups have been or links have been connected properly. And here at the column, it runs continuously because it is a continuous beam. Coming to the end of the column, that means end of the beam to the column joint, you can see the reinforcement which is connected to the column, where the 4 rods is coming from the bottom of the column to the beam, and it is tied up properly anchored. And the rods which is coming from the beam, it has been tied to the column with 90 degrees to the column, and it is anchored properly to the column. So the beam and the column has been connected properly, or joint has been made properly by giving 90 degrees, and it has been anchored. And at the bottom of the reinforcement of the beam, the 4 bars are main bars, and from the column the reinforcement has been taken up, and the beam to the column has been, again it is taken up to the 90 degree, and it has been connected properly to the column. You can see that the beam reinforcement is raising up to the column in 90 degree, and at the top beams it is downing up to the column in 90 degrees. So all the columns has been properly joined by between the beam and the column by giving 90 degrees anchoring. Coming to the intermediate columns, you can see all the main reinforcement of the beams has been running lengthy from the end to the end of the column without any disturbance. But coming to the nearby beam, it comes to the column, and it has been properly joined by anchoring it into 90 degrees, and you can see the 4 bars which is in the 90 degree portions, and it has been anchored. So this is the another column, corner column, and it has been connected to the column from the end of the beam, and you can see all the column has been anchored by the beams. You can see all the 90 degree portions which is in a curve. You can see in these rods, and the rods has been inwardly connected at the top and upwardly connected from the bottom of the beam rods.